Let's move. Get that leg up. 10 minutes of incredible low impact, mood boosting, energy elevating movement today. We're going to talk about unconditional well-being. Oh, hello. Duck just popped up. I don't know if you can hear my voice. It's not exactly perfect. Woke up a little stuffy this morning. Do I really want to go move my body? No, not really. Hold on. Am I going to feel better if I do? Absolutely. Let's not put conditions on our well-being. Things don't have to be perfect. We just got to show up. Move with intention. Movement that matters. It's a nice reach. Going real gentle today. Start off our new week. Just some light, gentle movement. Just so that we keep that discipline and consistency. Set a real intention for the day. I choose to be happy. There is no way to happiness. Happiness is the way. The more I listen to myself, it doesn't sound so great. I apologize. That's not going to stop us. We don't need conditions for our happiness, for our well-being. We take ownership. Don't let things outside of our control affect what's going on the inside. And that's virtually everything. Outside of our attitude, there's nothing we can control. Oh, hallelujah. Let's build some strength in those legs. Just really nice and easy. Come on down. Arms back. Head up high. Focus on the breath. And as I say, putting no conditions on our well-being. The conditions I get to move my body in outside today are pretty great. And wow, am I grateful. No, I'm not 100%. We can still move. Falling apart lately. Sore back, spine surgery. Good grief. Still feel amazing. We just go with the flow, accept the reality. A couple more. Oh, lovely. Oh, let's just bounce for a second. Come up onto the balls of your feet. Onto the balls of your feet. I want to move laterally and then have a real nice twist. Move laterally. Get up on the balls of your feet. Really intentional movement. And get that great twist in there. Oh, yes. Just feel the beauty of the movement, in awe of our beautiful bodies. Hopefully I don't fall into the pond. If I did, probably get lots of views on the video, right? Already feeling remarkably better. I think that's the key. Maybe when we're down a bit, frustrated, annoyed, tired, we just need to elevate our mood and energy. Just some real light, gentle movement does wonders for our mental health. And certainly for me, it allows me to connect to that thing that's grander than all of us. Find moments of stillness. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's do a little balance work. So, leg out and reach down. How well can you see this? Not bad, eh? Can you identify those ducks for me, please? Leg back, reach down, and breathe up at the top. Engage your core. Let's keep going with this and find some stillness. Watch that monkey mind. Maybe your balance isn't working quite so well today. It's okay. What if you bring all of your attention into each one of these movements? Whoa. And if you want, you can certainly close your eyes if you're feeling like really challenging yourself. Or maybe like me today, just real simple. Just be. One more. Let's get right into it. Let's really open up the upper back. This can be done as slowly as you like, or really feeling it, go rapid fire. Oh, I can notice a big difference. The range of motion for me is increasing day by day. Hallelujah. Just bring everything into this. Yeah. Last one. Brilliant. We're going to just step on one side and just stay. This is a great move first thing in the morning. I don't know why I've heard it called a can opener. I don't know why that makes any sense, but who cares what we call it. And really get a great deep, as deep as you can, stretch. You even bring this other hand back as far as you can. A couple more on this side. Yes. Other way. Come behind. Yeah, there we go. Sink into it. Nice and easy. Or maybe, you're just like, yeah, let's go, baby. Okay, last one is now. Hold it there for a second. Yes. All right, let's finish off. One last exercise. We're building that incredible leg strength. Work on the mobility. It's about functional fitness, right? So we can bend. Arms come all the way up into prayer as we sink down. Real mindful movements. You're building strength. You're building mobility. And this sense of presence and awe. Just go at your own pace. Listen to your body. You got this. Sink as deep as you can. And again, maybe that looks like this for you. Perfectly fine. Showing up. That's what matters. Let's go 3 more. Is that 3? I already lost count. Well, we should do 1 more just to be safe. Maybe we hold it down here for a second. Oh, nothing like the deep squat. Build mobility, strength, and hallelujah. Oh, thank you for showing up. Oh, it just does matter so much. You are enough. Oh, just shake. Give yourself a bit of a stretch there. Oh, let's take a moment. Just listen to sounds of our environment. Just every time your mind wanders, bring it back. Maybe you set your intention for the day. I choose to be happy. I don't let what's outside of me dictate my happiness. Happiness is the way. Oh, shake it out. I don't know about you. I feel better-ish. Maybe not as normally as high as I usually get after this, but definitely 25% better. Keep showing up. It truly matters. Drop me a comment. Let me know how this session went for you, and I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.